UTech. You can organize your tabs in Google Chrome while working. Right-click on a tab, then select Add Tab to New Group. Set a name and color for the group. To add other tabs to the group, proceed with the same steps. Right-click on each and select into which group to be added. You can have multiple groups which you can expand or collapse for more organized work. Keep in mind that groups will be removed if the browser is closed. The only solution to restore them in the next session is to set the browser option continue where you left off at startup. In the next steps, you will see how to do that. Go to Settings. Select on Startup. Select Continue where you left off. The last browser window that was closed will be restored at startup. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check other videos.